Hi friends, I hope you and everyone around you are safe and in good health. Today in this video, I'm going to share unbiased Ticket.ru reviews and will let you know is Ticket.ru legit or a scam website. But before starting guys, let me tell you that it is not a sponsored video, neither this website is owned by me. So by the end of this video, you will get to know whether you should buy products from this website or not. So without wasting much time, let's get started. This is the homepage of the website, and over this website you can see that Ticket offers branded shoes. And guys, the prices of these shoes are too good to believe. And before proceeding further, friends, I would request you all to like, share and subscribe my channel because it will help you guys to get the notification each time when I upload some informative videos on my channel. Now let's proceed to know information related to payments. So here we can see that the available payment option is PayPal only. So now let's check the shipping policy. Guys, here we can see that they claim to deliver almost all products within 5 to 10 days. While here we can see that no information is disclosed related to shipping charges. And apart from this guys, talking about the cancellation policy, so here we can see that a customer can cancel their order by contacting with the customer service of Ticket.ru. Therefore guys, now it becomes very important to check the contact details. So here we can see that an email ID and WhatsApp contact number is available, while here we can see that office address is not provided. Addition to this guys, you can follow Ticket on Instagram as well. Now let's check the return and exchange policies. So guys, here we can see that their return policy lasts for just 7 days and refund if applicable will be credited within 2 working days. Now let's proceed to check the details related to registration. So guys, the domain name of Ticket.ru was registered on 9th June 2021, and here we can see that domain is registered only for 1 year. Addition to this guys, 86% of the content over the website is copied as it matches with other scam websites, and the images of the products too are copied, so it's a negative highlight. Moving on to check the customer reviews. So guys, here on the official website you will see that there is no section for customers feedback. So let's check over the reliable sites on the internet. Guys, I could not find even a single customer review on the internet as well. Thus, it's a red flag because customer reviews are one of the most critical factor in identifying the legitimacy of any website. So guys, loopholes such as incomplete contact details, lack of customer remarks, copied content and duplicate images of the products, low Alexa rank and much more makes us to doubt the authenticity of this website. So based on all these checkpoints, I would highly recommend all the viewers not to shop from this website as there are high chances of receiving low quality goods or nothing at all. Guys, that was all about the authenticity of Ticket.ru. And friends, if you have ever ordered anything from this website, do share your feedback in the comment section below so that other viewers get to know about your shopping experience with this seller. Also, do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to protect yourself from online fraud. Bye bye guys, stay safe, stay informed.